What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Eric, back with another video, back with another banger. I know it's late at night, but you know, I'm out here with my guy right here. We're gonna go to a car meet, late night car meet. You know what I'm saying? Group, team. You know, so we here always be farther away. Yeah. So what do you think, man? What you think about this? What do you think?
No cat is sexy. These are the boys.
That motivation you get one?
Of course.
Especially that. Yeah, man, with the team. We're out here. We're like Mob Deep.
All black.
All blacks, man. We're coming big. Oh yeah, one of my partners coming. Oh yeah, I gotta tell Keno. Look. Bro, that's a track hawk pulled up. I told you, track hawk. Track hawk right there. I'm telling you, all black everything. We coming like we freaking like protecting the president. For real, like we protecting the president. I'm saying, come on, man. Like, what you doing, man? You better vlog. You better vlog that. Shout out to the team. You better vlog it. Goddamn. Yeah, we're in this. Follow guy, Instagram. It's crazy. I'm thinking about I'm about to get me a working bill. I'm about to order me one. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I smoked my tail lights off. I'm trying to get a working bill, and I gotta paint this over because it dried out. Yeah, I'm getting mine done. Yeah. Anthony's. The dude, he'll come up. He drive like the gray Charger.
Okay.
Yeah, he got a scat pack. He be doing lights.
Okay.
Yeah, he charged me like $3 for mine, for my headlights.
Do the lights, and I just want to right now. I try to get the intake, but they don't make it for my model yet.
Oh yeah. It's like my dream car. The track.
Took me a minute.
Hey, but he built the carbon fiber though. Damn, Chris just came up here and just done on everybody, huh? Curdy Chris. No, I heard that. Your mom like the whip, huh? Your mom like the whip. The carbon fiber hood? Here we go. Top flight security.
You heard what Mr. Molly said. We top flight security of the world, Craig.
We're about to grade.
We about to go up in there. We just wait for some friends to show up.
All right. You have a good night.
Top flight,
This is dangerous. This is dangerous as hell. Look, see? Over here came in, scared of mother. Oh, this is hard.
I love the carbon fiber.
You seen the Camaros?
No, I haven't.
The Camaros? Calm down. Oh, my brother's like that. go true right there. True.
So I started playing. I'm doing that story mode too.
What up, G? Lord, right here. Charlie Gang strong. That blue one's tough. Gas, progression, in the flesh. Boosting in their car. Yeah, man, so that's the end of the video. You know, be sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow my guy right here.
Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Hoodie Jordan 27. Follow me on YouTube, Hoodie Jordan 27. The link in it will be put down in the description down below.
Yeah. So yeah, so this Honda, what the? Yeah, cause we got this Honda right behind my.
Yeah, we got
With the smoke.
Yeah, if y'all can see it, sorry about the window, but you can see it. The Honda Civic, like right there with the headlights and all that. But yeah, we just left our car meet, the last
Yeah,
one.
shout out to my partners, man, my Street Imperial brothers, man. We came in hella deep.
We came stupid deep.
Stupid.
Like when I say stupid
Like
deep,
fucking deep.
we came fucking stupid deep, way worse deep than the police.
Yeah. So man, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, follow him, follow our channel. I'll put his down below. I'll get our Street Imperial Instagram down below. And I'm out to